Good morning. My name is Montserrat Aburto Morales from la Licenciatura Abierta en Enseñanza del Idioma Inglés. And my presentation today is talking about why I know I can learn how to do a reader analysis. First, I would like to start with the definition of what a discourse analysis is. And what a discourse analysis is, well, is the relationship between the language and the context. So the analysis study the language in use, and the discourse is a particular and structured unit of language. So if we analyze the meaning of the language, we are talking about function, and the form is the way that we structure the sentences. In fact, discourse is the analysis of written or spoken language. As the picture, like the picture. In both of them, we have to consider the speaker or writer, the context, and the hearer or reader, depend of the case if it's written or spoken. Okay, as I mentioned before, I would like to explain what we need in order to learn how to do a reader analysis. And first, we have to consider the register, audience, coherence and cohesion, and rhetorical situation. Register. Okay, register means a variety of language and will be determined by degree of formality with a purpose and social context. That depends of the context in we are. The audience is the people giving attention to something. In this case, could be a book or an essay or papers, but based in research. Coherence and cohesion. Coherence is a way that we join sentences. That's the way that the text makes a sense for the readers. And the cohesion is the action or fact of forming something, especially when we are talking about grammatical rules of the English language. To study cohesion, we have 4 formal linguistics failure: reference, ellipsis, substitution, and conjunctions. The reference, in reference, we have to be able to identify personal references, personal pronouns, possessive adjectives, and possessive determiners. In demonstrative, we have a division here: proximity and distance. And we have another subdivision: exophoric, when it is in the text, or endophoric, occlude from text. And the reference, comparative reference, we should be able to find or to identify adjectives, comparatives, and adverbs. Substitution. Okay, substitutions, that means replacement. And we have a division here: nominal, verbal, and clausal. In the nominal substitution, we should be able to identify noun, head, complements, and attribute. In the verbal substitution, verb, process, and preposition, and clausal could be positive or negative. Ellipsis, the ellipsis means elimination. That it's very clear. We should be able to identify nominal ellipsis, eliminate nouns; verbal ellipsis, eliminate verbs; and clausal ellipsis, eliminate clauses. And the last one for the cohesion, it is conjunctions. The conjunction is a word or group of words to join phrases or sentences. And we have a division here too: additive, adversative, causal, and temporal. In additive, we have some like and, also, nor, or, less, move over, and some other ones. Adversative, get, but, whoever. On the other hand, in fact. Casual will have those, hence, therefore, in that case, otherwise, because, as a result, accordingly. And in temporal, then next, previously, at least, next day, and some others. Lexical cohesion. Lexical cohesion is divided in two, reiterations and collocation. The reiteration involves all the repetitions and synonyms, plurals, but will be exactly the same word. And collocation is the cohesion achieved to the association of lexical items that regularly can occur. And the last step for the reader analysis is the rhetorical situation. In this one, we have one method, this one, and the cars. First one, in the first one, we can find the evaluation, polarity that could be positive or contrasting, evaluator, that's the writer or writers included in our files, and the focus. Focus is the principal point objective. And on CARS method, we have people, that is the people including uh, in the reader analysis. The object, that the object is the person or thing to which a specific situation of feeling is directed. And the event is a thing that happens or take a place. And in exigence, we're gonna find four kinds of text: formal, informal, scientific, and academic. Uh, it is everything that I need or that we need to know about the reading analysis. For me, it's very clear now how I can do a good reading analysis, and I hope for you it is clear too. Thank you very much.